All right, so check it out. This one thing is the first step to getting pro level mixes. Let's talk about Headroom.
Headroom is absolutely essential when it comes to producing music. Frankly, it's a game changer when it comes to clarity. Headroom is the space between the loudest part of your track and 0 dB.
So even though your meter may not actually show that it's peaking, you still may be losing valuable information from your individual tracks before it hits your main out. And there are a few reasons why this happens.
Think of it as a safety net that allows your music to breathe up and down. This will avoid harsh clipping and distortion that will kill the tonality and clarity in your track. Especially in orchestral music, we want that full, rich, dynamic, emotional sound and tone that will otherwise become muddy in your mix.
So how do you get more headroom? You need to balance your levels. You need to bring everything down. Go into your mixer and turn down those peaks so they aren't going above 0 dB before you start applying things like compressors or limiters or anything like that on your track. Doing this to all your individual tracks gives you more room to push your sound at the end.
It's also important to note that this doesn't replace mixing your track. It does, however, give you an excellent starting point so that you have enough room to raise and lower your levels without sacrificing clarity.
A common thing we see with beginners, and we used to do this as well, is we think our music needs to be as loud as humanly possible. So we're constantly pushing our faders up, and worse, pushing them above 0 dB. Unfortunately, by doing this, clarity tends to go out the window.
Not every track can be set at the same max volume level. Your focus should first be to aim for clarity, and then find the natural volume limit for that overall track.
Until next time, now go make some music.